Welcome to VC Coatings. Today we're going to demonstrate one of our products. It's called Spray and Peel.
Spray and Peel is a one-pack liquid masking solution perfect for the use on the back of kitchen doors and spray booth walls for protection against overspray. Spray and Peel is quick and easy to apply and will save you countless hours compared with other masking solutions. This in turn will save you money on labour. Spray and Peel can drastically reduce the amount of waste. Other masking solutions such as papers, tapes and plastic films can leave you with a higher volume of rubbish, costing you more in removal fees. You will need a spray gun. We are using a Star SG4000 with a 2mm setup in our demonstration. For quicker application, we suggest using a pressure pot with a Star S770 gun with 1.5mm tip or equivalent. You will also need MEK thinners and mixing cups. Pour the spray and peel into a mixing cup. Thin the product by pouring in 10% of MEK thinners. Mix the two together. Add the solution to the gravity pot and attach it to your gun. Spray 2 coats of spray and peel to the back of the substrate, being careful not to spray the edges. Then place on a drying rack. It will dry in about 10 minutes. Next, prepare the undercoat. We are using PE230 polyester undercoat. The appropriate mixing ratios are specified on the can. Spray the undercoat to the front and sides of the panel, and once dry, sand and prepare for the top coat. Once completed, the top coat can be applied. After the front of the panel has been sprayed and is dry, you can easily peel off the spray and peel, leaving a professional overspray free finish.